Want to mine Bitcoin but don't have thousands to spend on a mining rig? Cloud mining could be your ticket in, but picking the wrong platform can cost you big. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best Bitcoin mining platforms in 2025, so you know where to start. Before we go any further in this video, I just want to say that Koinly assesses these platforms based on publicly available information. Any information is accurate at the time of recording. This is not an endorsement of any specific provider, service, or offering. It is not a recommendation to trade or use any services. Users should still carry out due diligence before trading. Cloud mining lets you rent mining power from a company instead of buying and running your own hardware. That means no noisy rigs, no heat, and no massive electricity bill. But the space is full of scams, so knowing which platforms are trustworthy is key. And remember, if you're earning mining rewards, they're taxable in most countries. Koinly can help you track everything automatically so you stay compliant without the stress. Okay, with all of that out of the way, let's talk about the #1 platform in no particular order. We have Binance Cloud Mining. Simple and beginner friendly. This is a short-term Bitcoin cloud mining service from one of the biggest exchanges. The coins they offer, well, they only offer Bitcoin. The contract is 365 days. Payouts are daily. The minimum is 1 TH per second. Payout can be debit, credit, or crypto. It's perfect for beginners because you only need a Binance account and a small starting amount to begin mining. Okay, #2 on our list is Hashing24, trusted and transparent. With over 10 years in business, Hashing24 operates mining farms in Canada, Georgia, Norway, and Iceland. Coins, well, it's also Bitcoin only. The contract is 12 months. Payouts are daily and withdraw anytime. The minimum to get started is $50. Payment can be debit, credit, or crypto. It is a well-established choice for those who value transparency and long-term reliability. Okay, #3 on our list is NiceHash, the hash power marketplace. Unlike typical cloud mining providers, NiceHash isn't a cloud mining company. It's a hash power marketplace. Instead of renting it from one operator, you're buying hash power directly from other miners around the world. Unlike the other platforms, they support quite a few different cryptocurrencies, including BTC, Ethereum, XRP, and so many more. The contract is flexible, but usually up to 10 days. Payouts are daily. Payment can be debit, credit, or crypto, just like the other platforms. This peer-to-peer model gives you flexibility and competitive pricing, but also means your returns can vary depending on network demand. It's a solid choice for those who want short-term mining exposure without long contracts. Okay, with those platforms now out of the way, let's talk about tips for safe cloud mining in 2025. Make sure to stick to platforms with transparent contracts and proven track records. Avoid guaranteed return promises. Start small and scale up once you see real payouts. Track all rewards for taxes with Koinly. Okay, this is our list of the best Bitcoin cloud mining platforms in 2025. Whether you want a simple beginner option or a more advanced setup, there's something here for every type of miner. And when your mining rewards start rolling in, let Koinly take care of the tax side automatically. And before I leave you, one final note. Information on this subject is always changing, so be sure to check out our latest blog that's regularly updated by our content team for more information. Got a favorite mining platform? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like and subscribing for more crypto content. See you next time. Peace.